Hello, dear friends. Welcome again to Sepro Tech channel. Now, remember that the purpose of this channel is to teach everyone how to design by using SolidWorks. Now, today we're going to see how to design pulley assembled with the belt. Now, when you see on the screen, you see these have the big pulley and small pulley assembled with the belt. Now we see the motion, this animation. Now we see how we can animate this pulley in SolidWorks. Now let's start by drawing the pulley and then after make the assembly. Now this open new part. Now let's click on the front plane, normal 2. Then go to sketch, come to the circle. Okay, now select two circles. Let's make concentric. Okay, now make the dimension. Let's for this and give you 160. The second one, let's give 20 millimeters. Now let's extrude boss. For extrude boss, let's select the middle plane. Now for that, let's use 20 millimeters diameters. Now click OK. Yes, after now select this face. Also select this circle. Okay, now draw another circle. Yes, for inside let's put on 30 millimeters. Now this one let's put this one 2 millimeters. Okay, now select. You see now go to extrude cut. Extrude the cut for 5 millimeters. Now click OK. You see how extrude cut are made. Now for this extrude cut, let's use mirror about front plane. Now for the feature for the mirror, you see you have extrude cut 1. Yes, okay. See now extrude cut is done. Now select this face, normal 2. Let's begin the slot, 3-point arc slot, 3-point arc slot. Now come here. Yes. This is 3-point arc slot. Yes, select. Now give them dimension. Let's this is called now 3-point slot. Now let's give the dimension for this one 10 for radius. Now let's for this one let's give 40 millimeters for radius. Okay, now we see this is called Let's go to extrude cut. Let's select the floor. Okay. Now after make floor, let's use the circular pattern. Let's select this edge. You see you have, yes, 3. Now let's click OK. You see now the police look like. Now use select chamfer, select this face, okay, and this face, and we have 10 mm. Let's use okay. You see now this police look like. Now let's select fillet. Now this fillet you can use of 5 mm. Select this edge, and this edge also, and this one. Come with this side. Okay, select okay. See now, after select on this one, let's select light plane, memo 2. Now select the line. Yes, draw the line here. Select okay. Now let's give the dimension. Yes, for this one, let's give the angle of 16, same as here. 60 degrees. Now from this line up to this line, let's make 5 mm. From this side up to this point, let's make it 2.5. Now this line, now let's give 1.5 mm. Okay, you see now the sketch was already now come here and select the center line. Low on the point center, this construction line. Now click on the features. Click on revolve cut. The revolve cut. Now you see for revolve cut and click OK. This is found this shape of pulley. Yes, this shape of pulley. Now let's go to material. Select, click, right click, edit material. Now can select any type of material. It is use cast iron alloy steel. Apply and close. You see now how the changes look like. Then you can click on this one. Appearance, change the appearance, select the body. Now let's select on this color. That is okay. You see now this is the pulley. Now can click on On save. Let's give it the party 1 1. Then save. After saving, now let's click party new to design the small pulley. This is a big pulley. Now select the front plane, click normal 2. Now select the center. Yes, select. Now let's give a dimension for this one. Now let's give a dimension for this one. Let's give 20. This big one. Let's give 1 to 20 0. Okay. Now come to extrude boss. It in the plane. Let's use 20 for thickness. Okay. Now select this face and draw the under circles. Let's click here and then select another circle. Okay. Now let's select this circle. Make concentric. Now select on dimension. Let's give it 30 millimeters. Now select on this one. Let's give 90. Okay. Now go to the feature extrude cut. Let's extrude the cut. Let's use plane for 5 millimeters. Okay. You see, now go to the mirror. Feature mirror. Now let's click mirror about front plane. Now mirror about by let's select extrude cut 1. Now click OK. You see also how it should look like. Now click on this face. Let's bring select 3-point arc slot. Yes, let's draw like this one. 3-point arc slot. Okay. Let's do like this one. Okay. Now let's give them dimension. Let's give 10 millimeters for this radius, and then come put this one. Let's give 40. This is very big. Let's use 30. Okay. Okay, now can I click on the feature extrude the cut. This floor. Click OK. Now use circular pattern for this one. Let's select this arc. Now you see now have 2, 3. Let's click OK. See now how the pulleys look like. Now let's select chamfer. This select this edge. Now select for this another edge. You see now the chamfer size will have 10 millimeters for 5 degrees. Now let's click OK. You see now select the fillet, click on this edge. Now this face, let's delete it. The face, click here, and this face also. Now click this face and this face. Okay. Now click OK. Now you see. Let's click right plane, normal to. Also let's go to the sketch, select line, and so design like this one. Okay. Let's select the mesh. For here, let's give 1.5 millimeters. For this one, let's click on this one. Let's let's give 60 degrees of this angle, same as here. Select this line and yes. Okay. Now let's from this side, let's give 2.5 millimeters. Now let's give here 5 meters. Now select line. Okay. Let's for this line, click on this line, make for construction line. Okay. Now come to revolve cut. You see, also have the small pulley. Also let's go to edit the material. Also let's select cast arrow steel, apply, and then close. Select on the body and the appearance for body. So let's give on this color. See this small pulley. Now let's save as part 2. Now let's save. Yes, after save, it's opening you for making the assembly. Let's click on assembly, click OK. Now let's close this part. Now click on assembly. Now we're going to sketch the axis that will help us to assemble the pulley. Now click on top plane. Also click on the right plane. You see now and we click OK. You see this axis. Now let's make the visible axis. Let's click here. Okay, now it's done. Let's go to the reference geometry to create a new plane. Now let's delete this axis. Now select right plane. Let's give 300 millimeters. This is another plane that we create. Yes, after creating new plane, let's come on the reference geometry. Now sketching another axis. Yes, the plane one is selected. Now let's select the top of plane. You see, let's click OK. After click OK, you see now have two axes. Now let's go to insert a component. Let's select part 1. Okay. Now let's click on this face. Click on this face, then click it, click. Now click on this face. Right click and front option. Now after click front option, click on this axis one and click on mate. See, click on the center of this pulley and then select concentric. Now click OK and then click OK. You see now the pulleys look like. Now select on this face, yes, mate, and then select front plane, then click OK. You see now the position that our pulleys have. Let's go to insert component, select the small pulley. Also let's select this axis 2, click mate. You see, click on the center, let's make the concentric. Let's click OK. Now you see, click on this face, click mate. Also select the front plane. Okay. You see now the pulley are in the same line. Yes, all this is necessary. You can hide this axis. Can hide this axis. Okay. Now let's go to the assembly features. We're going to make the belt. Let's select the belt chain. Now after select belt chain, for this belt member, let's click on this face and this face. You see now the sketch is ready. Now come down on this, create the belt part and you click OK. Yes, it will ask to save for to continue. Let's save this sketch of belt. Let's call let us call the assemble 1. Okay, let's click OK. Now after to make this sketch, you see you have the sketch of belt. Now come on this face, click on this part. here you have to open this part. You see now we have the sketch of buried. Now let's select right plane. You see, after select right plane, let's go to the reference geometry, select the plane. You see, I want to create another plane. Let's click on this point. You see, now click OK. Yeah, I have another plane. Let's this plane one. Now click on this plane one. Let's have normal two. Now I have to select the line. Okay. Let's make the sketch of bed. Now let's give dimension for this one 5 millimeters for up to here. Let's give 5. The angle for this one, let's give 0. Another angle, let's give 60. Okay. Now let's click select. Now for this one, let's click this line with this point. Let's make middle point. Okay. Now click OK. You see now how the sketches look like. Now click on the feature we want to make sweep the boss or base. Click here. Now after for this, click on this sketch, and then after click on the sketch, click on this line. You see now how the belt is formed. Now click OK. After I can hide this plane for now. Now for this one, can select the material. This is use rubber, apply, and close. Now select this face. Now select the body for the appearance. Let's give it black. Okay. Now let's click on save. Save already. Now come on the side. Let's see the assemble one. Okay. See this is the assemble of the pulley and the belt. Now can rotate. You see when you rotate the pulley, you can rotate like this one, and you can change the direction. You see now for this one you can make a motion study. Let's select the motor. Let's put on this side. Okay, let's put 50. Okay, now let's go to calculate the motion. Calculate the motion study. You see now how the motion. Now you can increase the time for this one. Let's come to 20 seconds. Let's select here for 0.1. Now let's continue for playing. You see now this is the motion. You select one. Now you see you play and you see how the now the pulley is rotating now. You see this is the motion now. This is how the pulley can, this is the animation. Okay, now I think she's already now. Let's click on save. Now after you see all this pulley is well done. Now thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click like and comment and subscribe for this video. Thank you. Welcome once again for the next video.